Welcome guys, in this video I am with the OPPO A57s and in this video I'm gonna show you maximum camera zoom. Okay, so as you can see right here we are in the camera application, and to zoom in just simply go for the last option or just pinch screen with the two fingers, and that's the maximum zoom range. We can zoom in only to the 5 times, but when you take a look on the quality it looks really good. We can also take photo, for example, of this part. As you can see, that's how it looks. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.